I tuned in for the launch for the webcast, and I was very excited to see the product lineup. As the night proceeded and it was coming to a close, they announced the winners, and there was my name.
Junior, I'm excited to present this 2020 Bobcat mower to you. We appreciate you getting on our launch and being part of our new product line with Bobcat mowers. Congratulations.
All right, thank you.
Man. Good job.
Thank you,
Good
thank
job.
you.
Good job.
Appreciate it.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
We're really excited to see Junior win this mower. He's a small business owner that works hard every day, and in fact, actually being a veteran for the United States Navy, that just makes it even better.
And I can't believe it. I'm still in disbelief, but it's here physically, and I'm holding it, so it's real.